Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is 𝐂𝐚𝐥𝐥, your host for today's show, bringing you the finest real estate opportunity and exclusive property insight. Are you looking for a luxury home with breathtaking golf view in the Noida's most premium sector? Welcome to Prateek Canary, an exclusive golf luxury residential address in Sector 150 Noida. And today we bring you a limited period special payment plan that makes owning your dream home easier than ever. 30-70 payment plan. Pay just 30% now, pay remaining 70% at the possession. Yes, secure your luxury home today with minimal upfront investment. Now, let's talk about the special price offer. 3 BHK starting at rupees 2.89 crores and 4 BHK starting at rupees 4.10 crores onward. These are specially offered prices for a limited inventory, and once gone, then they won't come back at this value. Experience golf view luxury living. Imagine waking up every morning to the uninterrupted green golf course views, fresh air, open skyline, peaceful surroundings. Prateek Canary is designed for those who appreciate space, privacy and elegance. Premium low density project, large balconies with panoramic golf view, spacious layout with a natural light, modern elevation and grand entrance lobby, high-speed lifts and multi-layered security. This is not just a home, this is a statement of success. Sector 150 Noida is known as the greenest and most premium sector of Noida. 80% greenery, wide road and planned infrastructure, direct connectivity to Noida Greater Noida Expressway, close to 𝐂𝐚𝐥𝐥 Expressway, smooth access to Delhi with the upcoming Xavier International Airport, and continuous infrastructure growth. This location has strong appreciation potential. World-class club and amenities. Live a resort-style life every day with grand clubhouse, swimming pool, modern gymnasium, indoor and outdoor sports, kids play area, jogging and cycling track, landscape gardens, party hall and community spaces. Everything you need for a comfortable and premium lifestyle is inside the gated community. Why? 30-70 payment plan is a smart move. This payment structure is ideal for end users who want financial flexibilities, investors seeking capital appreciation with a minimal investment, buyers who want to secure today's price. Pay only 30% now, lock your unit and plan the remaining 70% comfortably at the time of possession. In today's rising market, this kind of opportunity is rare. The 3 BHK residences are thoughtfully designed for the modern families. Spacious living area, premium fittings, modular kitchen space, large bedroom and extensive balcony. The 4 BHK residences offer ultra-spacious layout, perfect for large families or those who desire extra luxury and privacy. Every inch reflects sophistication. Let me repeat, limited period special offer, 3 BHK at 2.89 crores and 4 BHK at 4.10 crores onward. With 30-70 payment plan, prices in premium sector like 150 never stay the same for long. Today's opportunity becomes tomorrow's missed chance. If you are planning to upgrade your lifestyle or want to invest in a premium golf view property, this is the right time. Don't miss this golden opportunity. Contact us on the numbers given on your screen. Get complete details, check real-time availability, get the best negotiated deal, book your exclusive site visit. Our team will assist you personally and ensure you to get the best unit at the best price. Call now and secure your dream home today. So with that, this is 𝐂𝐚𝐥𝐥 signing off for now. Looking forward to meet you soon in our next video with more exclusive update and premium property opportunities. Until, take very good care of yourself and your loved ones. Stay tuned to watch more valuable contents. Thank you so very much. Jai Hind.